Selecting the right panelboard scheduling software is crucial for efficient electrical design and documentation. There are several programs available, each offering unique features and capabilities. Firstly, consider EPLAN Electric PATE. This is a comprehensive software suite for electrical engineering and panelboard design. It offers powerful panel layout tools for creating detailed schedules, along with an extensive component library and automatic wire numbering. EPLAN Electric PATE is available from EPLAN Software and Service. Secondly, AutoCAD Electrical stands out as an industry-leading CAD software specifically designed for electrical engineers. It includes a panel builder toolset for creating and managing panelboard schedules. It integrates with AutoCAD for drafting and documentation. AutoCAD Electrical is available from Autodesk. Thirdly, there is VectorWorks Architect. This is architectural and engineering software with dedicated electrical design tools. It provides a panelboard schedule tool for creating and editing panel schedules along with automatic circuit breaker and wire numbering. VectorWorks Architect is available from VectorWorks. Fourthly, if you are using Eaton products, consider Eaton Power Advantage Panel Builder. This software is specifically designed for Eaton panelboards, offering a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality and an extensive component database for Eaton products. It is available directly from Eaton. Fifthly, Siemens SIMARIS Design is an electrical design and panelboard configuration software from Siemens. It features a panelboard schedule tool for automatic generation of schedules. It has compatibility with Siemens circuit breakers and other components. Siemens SIMARIS Design is available from Siemens. Sixthly, ProPanel is a specialized software for panelboard scheduling and design. It offers an easy-to-use interface with intuitive controls along with automatic panel layout and wire routing. ProPanel is available from ProPanel software. Seventhly, Panelmatic, offered by Schneider Electric, is a panelboard design and scheduling software. It provides comprehensive tools for creating and modifying panel schedules with integration with Schneider Electric products and services. Panelmatic is available from Schneider Electric. When selecting a panelboard scheduling software, consider the following factors. 1. Compatibility with your existing design software. Ensure the software integrates seamlessly with your current CAD or BIM platforms to avoid data transfer issues. 2. The component library. A comprehensive component library can save time and reduce errors. Look for software that includes a wide range of electrical components from various manufacturers. 3. Automation features. Features like automatic wire numbering, circuit breaker sizing, and panel layout can significantly improve efficiency. 4. Ease of use. Choose software with an intuitive interface and a short learning curve to minimize training time. 5. Reporting capabilities. The software should generate detailed panel schedules, bill of materials, and other reports for documentation and procurement purposes. 6. Vendor support. Consider the level of support offered by the software vendor, including training, documentation, and technical assistance. 7. Scalability. Ensure the software can handle the complexity and size of your projects as your needs evolve. 8. Cost. Compare the pricing models of different software options, including subscription fees, licensing costs, and maintenance fees. 9. Industry standards. Check that the software complies with relevant industry standards, such as the National Electrical Code, NEC, and other applicable regulations. 10. Collaboration features. If you work in a team, look for software that supports collaboration and allows multiple users to access and modify panel schedules simultaneously. Remember to evaluate your specific needs and requirements before making a decision. Consider factors like project size, complexity, and budget when choosing the right panelboard scheduling software for your electrical design project. Each of these software options cater to different needs and project scales. Evaluate the features and benefits of each to determine the best fit for your specific requirement. By carefully considering these factors, you can select Panelboard scheduling software that enhances your productivity, reduces errors, and improves the overall quality of your electrical designs. These software solutions are designed to streamline the Panelboard scheduling process, ensuring accuracy and compliance with industry standards. They can help electrical engineers and designers create professional-looking panel schedules that are easy to understand and maintain. Furthermore, the software options often include features for managing circuit breaker coordination, voltage drop calculations, and other critical electrical design parameters. This helps to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. When evaluating these software solutions, it is also important to consider the availability of training resources and support. Look for vendors that offer comprehensive training programs, online documentation, and technical assistance to help you get the most out of the software. In addition to the specific software mentioned above, there are other Panelboard scheduling tools available on the market. It is recommended to research and compare different options to find the one that best meets your needs. Consider attending industry trade shows and conferences to see demonstrations of different software products and talk to other users about their experiences. By taking a proactive approach to software selection, you can ensure that you choose a tool that will enhance your productivity, improve the quality of your work, and help you stay competitive in the electrical engineering industry. The integration of Panelboard scheduling software into your workflow can significantly reduce the time and effort required to create and maintain panel schedules. This allows you to focus on other critical aspects of electrical design, such as system optimization and energy efficiency. Moreover, using specialized software can help to minimize errors and improve the accuracy of your designs. This can reduce the risk of costly mistakes and ensure that your electrical systems are safe and reliable. The Panelboard schedule is a critical document in electrical design, providing essential information about the distribution of power within a building or facility. It is used by electricians, contractors, and maintenance personnel to install, maintain, and troubleshoot electrical systems. A well-designed panel schedule can improve communication, reduce errors, and enhance the overall safety and efficiency of electrical operations. Therefore, investing in quality Panelboard scheduling software is a worthwhile investment for any electrical engineering professional. The ability to automatically generate panel schedules, calculate load currents, and perform other essential design tasks can save you significant time and effort. It can also help you to avoid errors and ensure that your electrical systems comply with all applicable codes and standards. As technology continues to evolve, Panelboard scheduling software is becoming increasingly sophisticated. New features and capabilities are constantly being added to improve usability, enhance functionality, and streamline the design process. Stay up to date with the latest advancements in software technology to ensure that you are using the best tools available to meet your needs. In conclusion, selecting the right Panelboard scheduling software is an important decision that can have a significant impact on your productivity, efficiency, and the quality of your work. By carefully evaluating your needs and requirements, researching different software options, and considering the factors mentioned above, you can choose a tool that will help you to create accurate, professional-looking panel schedules and ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical systems. These software programs often support various file formats, enabling seamless integration with other design tools and facilitating collaboration with different stakeholders in a project. This interoperability is essential for efficient project management and ensures that all team members are working with the most up-to-date information. Furthermore, many Panelboard scheduling software solutions offer cloud-based capabilities, allowing you to access your panel schedules from anywhere with an internet connection. This can be particularly useful for remote collaboration and on-site troubleshooting. The cloud-based features also provide automatic backups, ensuring that your data is safe and secure. When evaluating cloud-based software, it is important to consider the security measures implemented by the vendor to protect your sensitive data. Look for software that uses encryption, multi-factor authentication, and other security protocols to safeguard your information. In addition to the features mentioned above, some Panelboard scheduling software solutions offer advanced capabilities such as 3D modeling and simulation. These tools allow you to visualize your panelboard designs in 3 dimensions, identify potential conflicts, and optimize the layout for maximum efficiency. Simulation capabilities can also be used to analyze the performance of your electrical systems under different load conditions, helping you to identify potential problems and prevent failures. As the demand for sustainable and energy-efficient buildings continues to grow, panelboard scheduling software is playing an increasingly important role in optimizing energy consumption. By accurately modeling and analyzing electrical loads, these tools can help you to identify opportunities to reduce energy waste and improve the overall efficiency of your electrical systems. This can lead to significant cost savings over the lifetime of a building. Furthermore, many panelboard scheduling software solutions offer features for generating reports on energy consumption, demand factors, and other key performance indicators. These reports can be used to track energy usage, identify areas for improvement, and demonstrate compliance with energy codes and standards. In the context of electrical safety, panelboard scheduling software plays a critical role in ensuring that electrical systems are designed and installed in accordance with all applicable codes and regulations. These tools can help you to verify that circuit breakers are properly sized, conductors are adequately rated, and grounding systems are correctly installed. By using panelboard scheduling software, you can reduce the risk of electrical hazards and protect people and property from harm. The software often includes built-in libraries of electrical codes and standards, ensuring that your designs comply with the latest requirements. These libraries are regularly updated to reflect changes in codes and regulations, so you can be confident that your designs are always up to date. In addition to code compliance, panelboard scheduling software can also help you to improve the reliability and maintainability of your electrical systems. By providing detailed information about the components and wiring of your panelboards, these tools can make it easier to troubleshoot problems and perform maintenance tasks. This can reduce downtime and improve the overall performance of your electrical systems. The software often includes features for generating wiring diagrams, terminal block diagrams, and other documentation that can be used to support maintenance activities. As technology continues to advance, panelboard scheduling software is likely to become even more sophisticated and powerful. Future developments may include the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate design tasks, optimize system performance, and predict potential failures. These advancements will further enhance the productivity and efficiency of electrical engineers and designers. The use of augmented reality may also become more prevalent, allowing you to visualize your panelboard designs in the real world using mobile devices or wearable technology. This could facilitate on-site inspections and improve collaboration between designers and installers. The integration of panelboard scheduling software with other building information modeling (BIM) tools is also likely to become more seamless, enabling a more holistic approach to building design and construction. This will allow you to coordinate electrical designs with other building systems, such as mechanical, plumbing, and structural systems, to avoid conflicts and optimize overall building performance. In conclusion, panelboard scheduling software is an essential tool for electrical engineers and designers. By carefully evaluating your needs and requirements, researching different software options, and considering the factors mentioned above, you can choose a tool that will help you to create accurate, professional-looking panel schedules and ensure the safety, reliability, and energy efficiency of your electrical systems. The continuous advancements in technology will further enhance the capabilities of these tools, making them even more valuable in the years to come.